Guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be attempting to create Ariana Grande's like iconic ponytail. I'm going to her concert in a few weeks, and I wanted to do my own hair because that's the money. And I want to learn how to do hair because I think I'm literally like stupid when it comes to hair. Like, I'll be fine, I'll do my makeup, whatever, and then when it comes to my hair, I'm like, was good. Sorry for my dogs barking in the background, they're annoying. But and I'm also trying out different makeup looks because not only is the concert coming up on my birthday, so I wanted to try something different. If you guys like this look and would like me to do a tutorial on it, it's honestly not hard at all, and the products are affordable. Let me know down below because I low-key really like this look, like, you know. But yeah, so if you want to watch me struggle to look like Ariana Grande, not to look like her, but to achieve her iconic little ponytail and, you know, be stressed for like, what, I don't know, maybe like 10-15 minutes and do this, then please keep watching. So to start, I'm basically using the spray bottle that I filled with water, and I'm basically wetting my hair. I feel like my ponytails come out best and lay more flat when my hair is a little wet. So that's what I'm doing to the top, and then you're going to see me start brushing it out so that it's more slick and wet. So now that that's done, I'm now taking my Impro Style gel and I'm just applying that to my hair. This is the best gel for me personally. It really keeps my hair intact when I want a nice ponytail. My hair doesn't come out of it. It doesn't come out curly. It like really holds my hair intact. So I really like to use this for starters when I'm doing any type of ponytail. Now I'm going to start putting my hair up after I apply the Impro Style gel to begin the process. Now that my hair is in a ponytail, I'm braiding it just to make it easier to apply the bundles when we start the ponytail. These are the bundles. I got them from my local hair store. I like them a lot. But so basically, my bundles are, I made them thicker by like putting the tracks together. I made them like double instead of single. And I'm just basically wrapping that around the beginning of my ponytail of the braid. I was so annoyed by this point because I tried another method, but this method always seems to work best for me personally when I'm dealing with bundles. Just the only problem would be the braid sticking out, but we're gonna fix that soon. But that's the only problem I have. When you wrap around when you take an end and you wrap it around the ponytail, it'll really help secure it. And in this case, I use bobby pins to really help secure this ponytail, as you will see. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me wrap it around and then add the bobby pins and then we'll come back. Here is where I started to add the bobby pins, as you're going to be seeing. I started combing the hair and then brushing the hair with my fingers to make sure that I couldn't see my natural hair braid. And where I felt like I could, I basically just took that piece and then I would use a bobby pin to bobby pin it to the back of my head, but also to make sure that the hair is covering it and looking as natural as possible. Added a lot more Got2b gel to my ponytail at this point, but my camera wasn't recording, so I just added a little more just so you guys could see. But basically I added more Got2b so that my ponytail could be secure, and now it's done. If you hear my dogs barking in the background, don't know what to say, but okay. So this is the ponytail finished. It took a while. This took 2 tries. As you can see in the video, I was getting frustrated. I'm sorry, my dogs are barking. But I was getting frustrated because, you know, but I'm doing these different ponytails and stuff like that so that I can perfect it for when I go to the tour, you know, and also to help you guys, if you guys are going, you want to look like Ariana or whatever, you know, to get like a kind of secure ponytail. So as y'all saw, basically I'm gonna give you like a brief summary of what I did. So braided my hair and then I just wrapped it at the top right here. I would make sure that it's secure, and then after I wrapped it all, I took the braided part of my hair, because if you just leave it out, because it'll be stiff, so it's like it'll be out, as you probably saw when I was doing it. So what I did was I took bobby pins and I pinned them to, you know, the back of my head, if that makes sense, so that it won't be bulky. Wow, my dogs are going crazy, but bulky or like too out. And I was scared that you were still gonna be able to see like the braid, but the way I did it, you can't, which is good. It's pretty secure. I mean, so I could wear this. You could wear this out. I mean, why not? And yeah, I think I would be good for tour. I definitely would want a longer ponytail. This is 18 inches, but I actually like it because it's not too, oh my god, but I like it. I added a pin because I feel like I've seen Ariana do it. If not, then I'm making it up. But it says Glam. They're from AliExpress. Totally, I will link it down below. There's so many cute ones. They have Glam. They have so many other names. I got Love and Girls. I'm so sorry that my dog is barking. But I got Love and Girls. And I really like it. I like the way this ponytail came out. I'm definitely gonna try different ways and different methods, and then I guess when I'm gonna upload those, I guess I'll record myself doing them and I'm gonna upload those videos, because it's like a trial and error process, you know. I learn, you learn, we all learn, and I guess I'll see, and I'll be doing a get ready with me for the concert, and so in that video I guess you guys will be able to see which one worked the best and which one would be the most secure to go to the concert, to look like Ari if you want to, and just to have the full Ari experience with the tail, you know. Definitely would like it to be longer though, but this I don't mind at all. Would be cute. I like where I put the pin. Comment down below if you guys like the pin or not. So let's just get into the verse of the day today. This verse of the day comes from Romans chapter 12 verse 12, and it says, "Rejoice in our confident hope, be patient in trouble, and keep on praying." Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a long one and it was stressful, but it was fun, you know. We slowly transform it into Ari, you feel me? Like, let me stop. Her ponytail's gonna be down to her butt. Mine is literally down to my back.
my mid back. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video and to comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 1K, which is insane to me. Never thought I would even be able to say that. We're almost at 1K, so join the fam. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.